Hi, and welcome back to another SolidWorks tutorial. In this video, we'll do an exercise together. But first, one quick tip about thin feature. In Extruded Boss/Base and many other features, you will find the thin feature option. Let's sketch a quick shape so you can see how it works. When you enable thin feature, SolidWorks creates a hollow body with wall thickness. Right now the ends are open, so there are no caps on either side. Here you set the wall thickness, then click OK. Now you get a hollow shape like this. And you can adjust the thickness anytime, for example, to 3 millimeters. If you enable cap ends, SolidWorks closes both ends with caps. Here you can control the cap thickness too. Click OK. Now the ends are closed, but the body is still hollow inside. Let's take a section view. You can clearly see the hollow interior. There are also other end conditions, like one direction, mid-plane, and two direction. So you can add thickness on one side or on both sides. There are more options here too. Alright, that was the thin feature tip. There is another option called Select Contours, and we will use it in the exercise in a moment. So let's delete this and start the exercise. Here is the exercise we will model. You can see the isometric view. And you also have the front, top, and right views. Let's build it together. We start with the base. All dimensions are given. Start a sketch on the top plane. I'll zoom in a bit so we can see better. Create a rectangle. Use center rectangle. Set it to 200 by 140 millimeters. These corners have fillets with a 10 millimeter radius. You can add fillets in the sketch or later in features. We will extrude first. Then we add the fillets and features. The thickness is 30 millimeters. Extrude the base to 30 millimeters. Now fillet these 4 outer edges. Choose fillet. Set the radius to 10 millimeters. Select these edges. After you pick a couple of edges, SolidWorks usually selects the full chain automatically. Click OK, and the fillets are created. Next, on this face, start a new sketch. Draw a circle. Set its diameter. Set the diameter to 50 millimeters. Its distance from this side is 140 millimeters. Add that dimension. To fully define it, add a vertical relation from the origin. Create a center line like this. Like this. Now draw a line here. Make this line tangent to the circle. The tangent relation is added automatically. Now dimension the angle between this line and the center line. It is 20 degrees. Set it to 20 degrees. Now the sketch is fully defined. Mirror this geometry about the center line. Click OK. But notice, we need a close contour. Right now it is open because we are missing this line here. Draw this connecting line as well. Click OK. Now let's check the thicknesses. This region needs a 20 mm thickness. And this circular boss has a 60 mm thickness. 50 mm is inside the base, and 10 mm sticks out. Let's build it. This is where Select Contours is important. Select Contours is active now. This region and the circle do not have the same thickness. So we must extrude them separately. Flip the direction. Then extrude this contour to 20 mm. Click OK. Now extrude the circle. Click Extruded Boss/Base again. Click this option to reselect the same sketch. Under Select Contours, choose the circle. Let's check the 60 mm again. 50 mm is this part, and 10 mm goes outward. So extrude 50 mm in direction 1. Then enable direction 2 for 10 mm outward. Click OK. Now, as you can see, the part also has a rib. Its thickness is 15 mm, and its offset is 40 mm. Let's create it. Start a sketch on the plane that passes through the center. That plane is the right plane. Select Line. Draw a line here. Set this distance to 40 mm. Go to Features. Select Rib. Set the thickness to 15 mm. Flip the material side. Then click OK. Great, the rib is created. Now let's make the 15 mm holes. Start a sketch here and draw a center line. Like this. Now draw a circle. Set the diameter to 15 mm. The distance between the two circles is 120 mm. To fully define it, add a relation to the origin. For example, give it a horizontal relation to the origin. Now mirror it about the center line. Then in Features, use Extruded Cut. Choose Through All. Click OK. Now the holes are done. The exercise is almost complete. Only this last hole remains. Let's create this hole too. Here the details are given. From the symbol, we know it is a counterbore. So we will create it using Hole Wizard. Let's check the dimensions together. Select Hole Wizard. Under Type, choose this type here. Choose Counterbore. Now enter the values. The main hole is 15 millimeters, and it is through all. So enter 15 here. Now set the counterbore diameter. Set it to 30 millimeters. And the counterbore depth is 5 millimeters. So set the depth to 5 millimeters. Keep the hole end condition as through all. Then go to Positions. Select this face. Then click the center point here. Click OK, and the counterbore hole is created. Great, we completed the model. Now let's give it a color too. In the Appearance tab, choose a color you like. Then our exercise is complete. That was the exercise for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.